Welcome to Bodybuilding India. If you've been skipping leg day, it's time to change that. Strong legs aren't just about looks. They're the foundation of real strength, power, and stability. Today, let's learn how to grow your leg muscles with simple but effective exercises you can do at the gym or even at home. We begin with the king of all leg workouts, the squat. Whether it's body weight, goblet or barbell squats, this move hits your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. Keep your back straight, chest up, and go low. That's where the gains live. Next, we move to lunges. Forward, reverse, or walking lunges. These are perfect for building muscle balance and improving flexibility. They also mimic natural movement, making them great for athletes. Now, don't forget the calf raises. Stand on a step, raise your heels slowly, and squeeze at the top. This simple move builds strong, defined calves and supports ankle stability. Lastly, we have the wall sit. It may look easy, but holding that position burns like fire. It's great for endurance, mental toughness, and strengthening your entire lower body. Consistency is key. Train legs 2 to 3 times a week. Focus on proper form and fuel your body with high-protein nutrition. This is Bodybuilding India. Like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips, workouts, and motivation. Your journey to stronger legs starts now.